Hello, and we are back. We spent last night working on the boat a little bit, getting in some of the structural stuff. And my question is to my boat folks: does this hull design exist? Does it make sense the way I explain it? And what could I or where could I make the improvements or things like that? So pretty much where we're at is starts out as a V hull. Everybody knows the ocean is crazy, so flat bottoms are pointless. Starts out to a V hull, starts to roll into a flat bottom almost, but it's still keeping a little bit of the V. And then right in here um, is actually where I'm wanting the prop to set. I know growing up, I always did a lot of bass fishing, freshwater stuff, but I know that with your prop, further down it is in the water, I should say not further down, where it's at in the water, when you take off, that's what kind of causes that lift in the front. So what I'm hoping is that by adding in a little bit deeper right in here, um, I don't want to say it's wider. It might be a little bit more. I mean, looks like it's about standard, but the depth right here, get some ballast, a little bit of weight in here to be able to kind of keep this. I don't want to weigh it too much down, but to have it when we're taking off from the beach, um, and we catch a wake or a wave, whatever you want to call it, and it goes up, that it doesn't completely just like, oh, yeah, we're done. And by doing what I'm hoping also by moving the prop or moving the whole motor up, putting the prop more into this area right here, and between the weight and all, it'll do more of a push. I mean, I don't have a problem with it popping up. I expect a little bit of up. I mean, let's face it. But we want a little up. We don't want a 90-degree it coming across the crest of the wave. So y'all let me know in the comments where we're at. And just for anyone who's curious, also, you notice I've got these kind of here, and then I've got all this filled in and nothing here. What we're doing here is we're leaving these voids open for wiring. I highly doubt it, but I might. I do have the pumps to, if I wanted to, put a small bilge pump in. But I don't think I'm going to do it with this little one. The big one, definitely, because we're going to have some good channels in there, chambers, whatever. But here's a short little build on how we got there. And hope you enjoy. Please leave a comment, let me know where I'm at, what I'm doing. And we hope to hear from you.